Find the following words in the grid. A sense of we feeling and empathy towards fellow citizens. Fraternity. A system in which sovereign power is in the hands of the people. Democracy. Introduction to the Constitution. Preamble. A system in which all religions are considered equal. Secular. Answer the following questions. What are the provisions in a secular constitution? In a secular state, all religions are considered as equal. No one religion is considered to be the state religion. The citizens are free to follow their own religion. State cannot discriminate among citizens on the basis of religion. What is meant by adult franchise? Adult franchise means right to vote to every citizen who has completed the age of 18 years. What right does economic justice ensure? Poverty leads to the evils of hunger deaths, or malnourishment. Economic justice ensures the right to a source of livelihood so as to look after oneself and one's family. How will human dignity be established in a society? Human dignity implies equal respect to each individual as a human being. When every individual respects another and honors their freedom and rights, dignity of the individual will get established. How should we make use of our freedom? Write your views about it. Freedom does not mean unrestrained behavior or license to do whatever we like. We expect others to respect our freedom. We should respect the freedom of others as well. We should accept reasonable restrictions on our freedom in the interest of national security, law and order, decency, and morality. Explain the following concepts. Socialist state. A socialist state is such a state where the gap between the rich and the poor is minimum. All have a right over the wealth of the country. It is ensured that wealth is not concentrated in the hands of a few people. Equality. The preamble guarantees the Indian citizens an equality of status and of opportunity. It means that all have equal human status and there will be no discrimination based on caste, creed, race, sex, place of birth, etc. The guarantee of equal status means not to discriminate between people in terms of high, low, superior, inferior. Sovereign state. The word sovereign means that a state is not under the control of a foreign power. The most important goal of our freedom struggle was to acquire sovereignty. Sovereignty means the ultimate authority to govern yourself. In a democracy, sovereignty rests with the people. Equality of opportunity. The preamble guarantees the Indian citizens an equality of status and of opportunity. It means that all have equal human status and there will be no discrimination based on caste, creed, race, sex, place of birth, etc. All will get the opportunities for development without any discrimination.